In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your written manuscript into a dynamic audiobook using ElevenLabs Studio. This is a fantastic way to bring your text to life, reaching out to audiences who love to listen on the go. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to sign into your ElevenLabs account and head to the studio. Here, you'll find the option to create an audiobook. Simply select this option and you're ready to upload your manuscript. The platform supports PDF files, so make sure your document is in this format. Once you've uploaded your manuscript, you'll need to give your project a name. This helps in keeping things organized, especially if you're working on multiple projects. With everything set, click Create to start bringing your book to life. Next, it's time to set up the voice and characters. ElevenLabs offers a library of voices, and you can choose a default voice for your narrator. This choice is key because the narrator sets the tone for your entire audiobook. If you want each character in your book to have their own unique voice, there's a handy auto-assign voices feature. Just keep in mind that enabling this feature might increase the time it takes to generate your audio, but it's well worth it for the variety and depth it adds. Take a moment to review your text within the platform as well. This is your chance to pre-edit. Remove unnecessary elements like copyright pages or tables of contents, and make sure that your chapter titles are clear and correctly formatted. This step makes for a smoother listening experience later. Now that your setup is good to go, let's move on to generating and refining the audio. Click the play button to kick off the audio generation process. The time this takes will vary depending on the length of your book, so be patient. As you listen, make use of the editing tools available to ensure your audiobook is exactly how you envision it. You can change the default voice settings for specific paragraphs, which is perfect for emphasizing certain sections. Another great feature is the ability to insert customizable pauses. This can help with pacing and dramatic effect. For those moments where you want to elevate the storytelling, consider adding sound effects, background music, or even video if your platform supports it. You can also customize pronunciations to perfect any words the AI might stumble over. If something's not quite right, you can always regenerate sections you're not happy with. The platform even keeps a generation history, so you can easily restore to previous versions if needed. Once you're satisfied with the final version of your audiobook, it's time to export it. ElevenLabs allows you to choose from several formats such as MP3 or WAV, depending on your needs and preferences. After exporting, your audiobook is ready to be published. You can share it on your website or across various platforms to reach your audience. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully turned your manuscript into a captivating audio experience. Happy publishing!